Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the XLT Premium Package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, you got your tow hitch, rear park sensing, your backup camera with a Bedliner, you got a tailgate step with your bed camera as well. Got mud flaps on the rear with a nice black gripped running board on each side, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated, and moving to the front here, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, you got cup holders, storage, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can lift up your seats for a nice split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, B&O sound system, power door mirrors, got your lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 132 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, talk-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, if I can just get it out of the sun, we do get a digital speedometer. We have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage with some outlets, cup holders. You get 2 more if need be. Your center console with even more storage. You got a little light down there and some more outlets. We got our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, with climate controls and heated front seats. You got a 12 volt and 120 storage above. Below on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. Engine brake, hill assist, traction hazards, and a nice 360 look at the vehicle where you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got our vehicle settings, just your normal vehicle settings, with also widgets on the side so you can keep your navigation open and have your audio open at the same time, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC11771, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.